Ladies and gentlemen, spot Bitcoin ETF just got approved. Just got approved, guys. I had to go live. I was driving so fast. I wanted to get here. I wanted to be here with you all and bring you the news firsthand that the ETF that we've all been waiting for just got approved, guys. It just got approved. Let's look at the chart. It does not look good. We did almost touch onto the 48,185 that I've been talking about, and now we just touched on the 45K. Let's look at the stuff that's going on, guys. Let me know in the chat what's up. Let me know if you're here. Let me know if you're watching. Let me know what you think. Big celebration. Big celebration. Big win, guys. Big fucking win. I'm extremely happy. I think now is the decision time. Now is the time to really like think about what's gonna happen, see what's gonna happen. I don't even know if anybody else is streaming right now, but we can talk about it. I don't know nothing. I haven't read anything. I was reading a good night tale for my daughter, and I just saw the news on my watch, and I'm like, wow, I gotta go live. So let's do this. Let's go. I'm happy. Let me know, guys, what's happening in the chat. Let me know if you're happy. Let me know what's. Let me just bring everything down here. It's gonna be a little bit shorter. All around stream because I haven't really followed up with anything. Let's look at what's happening on Twitter. Let's look at it. So basically, what we've been anticipating is that it is going to get approved, right? So that was the whole idea. Let's look at Bento Bubbles in a second. Let me see what Twitter is saying. BTC dominance falling. Okay, let me look at Bento Bubbles. What's happening here? In the newsroom. Newsroom is probably popping here. What's up, everybody? Nice seeing you all here. We've got 33 people watching. Let's go. ETF approved. Today, the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listing on all registered national securities exchanges. The approved Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance and compliance measures to ensure continued investor protection. Gary did it, guys. That's what's up. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. So first of all, I do think that this should hold. The problem is this is called a high resistance liquidity run. So this is what I've been explaining to you previously today, that the fact that we do have much liquidity building up. I was expecting this OB to be touched, but then I actually expected us to have a little bit more strength here. I'll be honest with you. I was expecting a little bit more strength here. The fact that we literally touch onto this OB, we do need to make a high here. If we don't make that high, I'm probably gonna get out of my position. It's gonna be interesting to see how Asia reacts as well. It's market close in the US, so we might see this pumping right back up. We gotta figure that out. Let me know in the chat, guys. What do you think of the ETF approval? What's happening? Hey, pop that champagne. And of course, subscribe to the channel, as always. So I've got this long open. This is my long still open here, around these levels, right? Let me see what's happening in the Bento newsroom. The SEC Twitter account was compromised and unauthorized tweet was posted. No way that Gary did this. No way. If this is true. No way. Get the fuck out. No way. The SEC government Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin ETF trading products. Crazy. Gary, go home. That's what I'm gonna write him. Protecting the masses. What is this? Protecting the people, I will say. Come on. Gary is protecting the people as the Grinch protecting Christmas. What is this? And I'm rushing here, doing all this. Now I have to rewrite the whole thing. Crazy shit, guys. Is this even true? Is this guy serious? How the fuck the SEC's website, Twitter gets compromised? How the fuck does that happen? Someone explain it to me. Like I'm fine. Holy cow. This is crazy. This is crazy. Abso-fucking-lutely. This is just crazy. And if after this, now I'm getting concerned. Now I'm getting concerned because after this, if he says the SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products, if after this they do approve, they can't approve. Can they approve after this? Can they approve after this? I don't know. If he said the SEC has not approved, that means it's not approved. He would not say that it's approved. So either they meet tomorrow and they approve tomorrow. What is happening, guys? What is happening? This is better than Dallas. I'm serious. This is like crazy, 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 crazy shit. Now I have the responsibility of renaming my stream because my stream is Bitcoin ETF approved, that I don't want to spread all this misinformation. So now I'll need to rename my stream Spot Bitcoin ETFs not approved. SEC, I'll say SEC Twitter compromise. This is what we're gonna do. It was not approved by the SEC. What is happening? What is happening? Law protecting investors but can't protect their own X account. I can't even believe this. This is crazy. This is literally like, I'm literally in shock. I'm literally in shock. I'll add to my lungs though. I'll add to my lungs. What is happening? Oh no, so now people are asking whether it's actually Gary's account that got hacked. Yeah, so the question, whether Gary's account got hacked and the SEC's account is fine. Imagine that. If the SEC's account is fine and Gary's account got hacked, and Gary's account is saying that they did not approve the ETF, yet, but the ETF announcement is clear. This is just absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely insane. I'm still looking in the SEC Bitcoin ETF have not received approval on Tuesday. Sources Bloomberg. The SEC government Twitter account was compromised and unauthorized. Yeah, exactly. We talked about this. What is happening, guys? This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, so we gotta figure out what the fuck to do. That's the problem. So if you look at this, everything we do now is gambling, by the way, because nobody really knows what's gonna happen. Nobody really knows what's gonna happen. My BTC short is looking good. I would not be happy at first. I would not be happy yet. I would not be too confident. I would add to the position here. I would add to my long, honestly. Look, we actually touch onto this OB that I marked here. We need to make a market structure shift. Because we did not make that immediately on the 3 minute, I would assume that we might have one more push down. We might have one more push down. If anybody's tuning in right now, I got people texting me. If anybody's tuning in now, what happened is that the SEC website, or the SEC Twitter said, and it's not even taken down yet. It's not even taken down. If it's compromised, how can it, I just can't believe it. Breaking, Gary Gensler says SEC account, exactly. So if you're tuning in now, what we're doing is that we see two things here, and this is the interesting part, right? Because we don't know what is happening. We don't know if it's Gary's account that is hacked or if it's the SEC's account that is hacked. Look at this. Look at this. The SEC's government Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing. This is the scary shit. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of security. Now look at this. Today the SEC grants approval. Like, it is just beyond me. It is just beyond me that we can see this live. We need to get some clarity, and I believe that we might get some clarity. We might get some clarity very, very soon. Like, we need to figure out what is happening here. Let me tweet about this. This is just crazy, guys. I mean, welcome to crypto, but I mean, still, it's just, what is this actually? What is happening here? This is just absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Let's look at the chart. What is the chart doing? Yeah, I think it's a good spot. I'm gonna add to my long. I think it's just a pay. I'm gonna add to my long position here, guys. I'm gonna add to my long position. This was my game plan. You gotta trade the plan. The problem is that liquidity has been taken, right? It's called a high liquidity resistance run. High resistance liquidity run. That's what it's called. But I have to add to my longs. I'm gonna go with my play. Okay, so add it to my longs here. Add it to my longs here. Yeah, I think this is just all the games. Like, I don't believe that this ever I just don't understand. I think it just can't happen. Like, it just can't happen. It just simply can't happen. Like, I don't know how this is even possible. I don't even know how this is even possible. I'm serious. So if you're tuning in, guys, we're literally seeing Gary saying one thing and the SEC's website is saying another thing. Who do you trust? Go on my Twitter and vote for this. Who do you trust? Gary or the SEC? This is the main rehearsal, guys. Okay, let me see what's happening here, guys. I'm bringing you the latest. Nitro Bun in the house, always. You're very welcome. Hey. Manipulation. Gary's account hacked. Lol. We don't know. We don't actually know. We don't actually know. Let's see, let me look at there's a private group as well with Ben, so let me look at it. Yeah, nothing is happening. Everybody's still, the people who are coming live, I see MDX coming live now, he's still saying it is approved, but it's not, brother. We're bringing you the latest. It's not approved. This is crazy. This is just absolutely crazy. The thing that actually concerns me, the thing that actually concerns me is that the tweet is not deleted. Oh, it is deleted now. Also, like, if it is compromised, get the fuck out, man. Seriously, if it is compromised, if it's true that it's compromised, can you recover an account in like 3 minutes or 5 minutes? Can you recover an account in what was it? When was this posted? Let me see, because I took a screenshot, right? Good thing we're here live. I moved the studio from home and I had to like drive like crazy. This was posted 10:26 p.m. from where I am. This was posted 10:11. So it's like, oh yeah, maybe they could have done it. It's like 30 minutes. Maybe they could have reclaimed the account in 30 minutes. Yeah, possibly they could have. Yes, I think, yeah. Another question is, which account has been hacked? This is Gary. Exactly. That's the question, my friend. That's exactly the question. Let's look at the chart. Add it to my longs. I was expecting this level to, like, if they approve. The only thing that really concerns me is that I mean, this is just welcome to motherfucking crypto. Like, it's just crazy. It's just still beyond me. Gary is literally a clown. Like, I'm serious. This guy gotta go. Look at the impressions though. That's like 13 minutes ago. And impressions are 3.8 million. It's crazy. He got 10x the impressions than his followers. The 10x the amount of followers. He got 10x the impression than what the amount of followers he has. within 13, 14 minutes. It's just absolutely insane. A lot of people waiting for the SEC. This is the problem. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin ETF exchange trading funds. Like, that's the problem. That's the problem. Because if he makes that statement, like, this is getting interesting, right? Because if he makes that statement and the ETF is actually approved, he is actually misleading people. He's misleading people, and that is fraud. If the ETF is not approved, then either they meet tomorrow and approve it, or they're just gonna simply deny it. Now this is gonna be an interesting area. I marked it as main structural point, but the problem is that we didn't really have like a run up here. So the actual main structural point, the real main structural point is up here. Why I can't do this now? Guys, smash the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I bring you the alpha that I can, whenever I can. Let me look at it. Yo. So, Banter Bubble saying, what the? I saw that BTC dominance chart after seeing that approval, and I knew something wasn't right. It hit that OB nicely though. Yeah, exactly. So we hit the OB nicely. Let me look at the BTC dominance chart. I don't wanna lose sight of the BTC chart. Smash the like, fam. Smash the like. Smash the subscribe. Whatever we do, not financial advice. Let me look at BTCD. Ay. Look at this. Look at this. It's coming, but what? Like, that's nothing though. Like, that's not a big issue here. 2% drop. It's not a big issue. I thought it was gonna. I thought people posted charts like this, and I thought it was like coming down to 30%. Dominance decreasing is interesting. Let's look at bet USDT dominance. Let's pull USDT dominance up here with this double screen if I can. How do I pull another screen up here like this? No, how do I do it? Oh, it's covering it. Let's pull USDT dominance up here. Why is my chart looking like this? I don't know why it's not normal. Anyway. Ethereum is up 2%. Let's look at Ethereum as well. BTC, USDT dominance is not really doing anything here. Let's look at the 3-minute chart. A little bit of, yeah, exact same thing, right? High resistance liquidity run. So we took liquidity from the bottom here. We took the sell side liquidity, and now we made a higher high. Yeah, we can't come down. We can't come down. Not good. Not good at all. Not good at all. Not good at all. I'm still monitoring the news that's coming in. I'm still trying to figure out if there's anything else. Chicken has been hacked. Test. Wall Street Journal. Nothing here. Ethereum pumping. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum seems to be pumping indeed. I'll just do this. Yeah, it's not pumping. 5% not bad, but it's like it's not pumping. It's definitely not pumping. Nothing from the SEC, nothing from Gary. The heat he's gonna get for this is gonna be fucking crazy, especially if they really approve it tomorrow. Forget worrying about crypto risk. Sort it out the two-factor authentication on Twitter first. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's not done with us yet. This is crazy. You know what? I'm gonna make a tweet as well. I'm gonna say risks, things to consider when opening a Twitter account. Activate 2FA. You don't save your password on the browser. What else should we write? Don't save password on the browser. In the browser. What else should I write here? Let me know in the chat. What else should I write here, guys? Do you think they will deny it based on the dump? Clear manipulation, but can they say that it's signed, it's not ready for an ETF? Yeah, fuck that. Like, it's not ready. Gary is not ready to have a Twitter account. He needs a fucking babysitter. That's what it is. No, the only thing that concerns me is the fact that he said that it's not approved. That's the problem. That's like that, and that is an actual problem. I will read this. Good. This is just insane. This is literally just absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. If he deletes his post, it never happened. Lol. 15-minute chart I posted on X. Old-fashioned Gary, maybe my meme gas back go off. Gary probably still needs to learn how to set up two-factor authentication. Yes, so shows that people want alts, not stables, right? Don't call yourself Gary. Hardware-based authentication system. It's just absolutely insane, guys. Let's look what's happening here. Okay. Yeah, I think we might have one more leg down. One more leg down. This is just crazy. Okay, so people are saying, okay, let me look at it. So people are saying that someone prepped it, but this is, can you believe this? So someone is saying that the tweet has been prepped. Most probably, the tweet has been prepped, but it was prepped on the wrong date, right? So on TV right now talking about this, and yes, I think someone prepped a planned tweet and put wrong date, because the tweet would have made perfect sense tomorrow at this time. The language sounds legit, the SEC-ish in my opinion, versus the crypto knucklehead pulling a prank, but I guess we'll see. I mean, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, the SEC also tweeted. The SEC also tweeted that it was compromised and the ETF is not approved. So the SEC, yeah, the SEC X account was compromised and unauthorized post was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products. Yeah. Within a minute, within 3 minutes, it got 300,000 impressions. Oh my god, I can't believe. Guys, I found the hacker. This is just absolutely insane. Now guys, we have a job to do. We gotta figure out if this thing is gonna go lower or not. Like let's look at the possibilities, because that's what we're here for, right? So I believe these two OBs are nice, legit. You see, we touched onto this OB very, very nicely. First OB got hit with this week after the stream. Second OB got hit now. First OB delete. I think that's not relevant no more. What a nice music I've got here. And we can't, this is also interesting. We can't go above. Like, we don't wick above the 48,185 level. The high here is 46,3, what? No, it's 48.83. 48.83. That's the high here. Let me still look for all the stuff that's happening. I'm just gonna put my phone up here. Edward Snowden is posting about Gary to get your shit together. Edward Snowman. Jesus Christ, Gary, get your shit together. You had one job. So I believe this is the problem, guys. We took liquidity. That's the big problem. That's the big problem. Potentially what happened is that a lot of people loaded up, right? Either insider trading or we just on the news, lots of buying, and then immediately coming out a tweet. I don't remember what was. This is why it's good that we took a screenshot. What was the time difference between Gary's tweet and so it's in no way. Yeah, it's 10:11. It's 10:26, so it's about 15 minutes different. This is also so weird, right? It's exactly 15 minutes difference. So fucking weird. Either way, 15-minute difference. Oh, by the way, we cracked 3,000 followers on X, on Twitter. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thank you, guys. We just did it now. So what could have happened is that we, you know, but no, not really, because look at this. So that's the times that you see there is GMT +1. So that means that it was exactly here, right? So at 11 we you know what's weird? That we got the candle before the we got the candle on the announcement, right? We got the candle in the announcement, and exactly when Gary tweeted, we got the yeah, it's fine. I think it's fine. My game plan is still on, even though we took liquidity. We created relative equal highs. Look at this. Look at this on the daily. We created relative equal highs. We created relative equal highs. So this here, this is actually very, very good. This is actually very good. This is actually very, very good. Let me look on the lower time frame. So this is the liquidity that I'm talking about. I do think that this is very, very healthy. This is very good. The fact that we have a double top, people will say, you know, this is the time people are going to start saying on Twitter, oh, we've got a double top. We're going to go to 30K. And full disclosure, we might. I mean, if the ETF gets rejected, I mean, we have a problem, definitely. Interesting. People are saying, you know, because Ethereum, ARB, OP, all these other layer ones, but they didn't pop. What are you guys talking about? They did. It's nothing. Like, I mean, 6-7%. It makes sense, but I mean, it's not like it's fucking pumping like crazy. Yeah. No, yeah, so I believe, let's look at another level that we could see here. So this POI is gone. Let me look at the chat. Look at ETH BTC. Look at ETH BTC. Let's look at ETH BTC. The rotation happen? Yeah. I talked about ETH BTC on today's show, but I don't like this. Still don't like this. Still do not like this. There was a drop here. We took at least, we need to break above here. At least above here. If it's still just liquidity taken. Yeah, ETH is up like 3, 4, 5%. I mean, it's yeah, it's great, but I mean, it's not like it's pumping like crazy. Yeah, you see, and it's already retraced. Like, it's not. Yeah. So it had a pump of 6%. So let's try to figure out what's happening here, guys. That's our job. That's what we need to make a decision on. We need to make a decision on. This was liquidity. You see clearly liquidity. We can't break. We can't close above. We're coming lower. We might see this liquidity being taken. Now that I'm looking at this, now that we took the buy side liquidity. Yeah, the people are saying, what is the likelihood of this being just an issue? You know, just an excuse to delay the ETF. My phone is gonna die. What if this is just another reason for Gary to delay the ETF? But this has nothing to do with the ETF, right? I mean, this guy is a clown. Look at Elon. Elon Musk had to say something. Chief Troll Officer. What did he say? Where is it? Ah, no, where is it? No, it's Eric Wall. I don't find it on. Oh yeah, maybe it was another recent tweet. Where is this thing? Yeah, it's here. SEC, 3-letter acronym. Yeah, it was in. Oh, it's 2020. Okay. Middle word is Elon. It's too late here. Yeah. So what are we playing? Like, my only problem here, my only real problem, and then we're gonna cut this short. But my real problem is that Gary is saying that the ETF is not approved. If he's saying that, they either really don't have a decision, and if they don't, they have to meet tomorrow and make a decision. That I doubt. Well, like, based on this, I'm just like, I don't know. I'm much more concerned now because of this whole situation. If I only look at the charts, which obviously in this scenario you can't really do, I'll look for the next POI down here, 43,900. I reduced my stop loss. I put my stop loss down here. I talked about this on the stream, and we can even touch this POI. So I'm also talked about this on the stream today, that I'm cross leverage, meaning that I will have a manual stop. I don't usually do this, but I don't want to get wigged. So even if we have a major, you know, this is also like an area of interest. Down here, as I said, 38, 39,000. I do not see us going down here. I do think that we are going to see a reversal from here or coming down to this region. Let's look at if we can see an inefficiency down here that has not been cleared. Potentially down here, right? Potentially any of these levels would be a potential great area for a reversal. I add it to my longs now. I add it to my longs now, so I don't think that this should. You know, I was saying that I was expecting on Asia. Actually, I was expecting a 45k retrace. I even tweeted about this. So if you follow me on Twitter, you know, or you saw probably, or hopefully, or whatever that is, that I tweeted that a 45k is definitely in the cards because of liquidity built up and whatnot. So we said, remember, one more leg down to 45k in Asia. London is in the cards. Tomorrow when ETF approved, I'll host a celebration stream. So I really hope this was the celebration stream, but it's apparently not. It's a stream of trying to figure out what these clowns do. Several options here. What am I thinking? Number one, what I'm thinking is that we do have a rejection on this level as well. So we are coming lower. Lower meaning we need to come down. But we pulled the 50. I mean, this should hold. This level should definitely hold. I mean, if this level doesn't hold, if we close below here, I would imagine us taking a wick here. This 44, 465. I could imagine we'll wick through here right into the OBE down here at 43, 800. That happens. And we don't close below on the 15. Or yeah, on the one, on the hourly. If we don't close below the hourly, then it's safe to do. Yeah, I'm not happy about this. This is all driven obviously by this hype. I'm very happy about the relative equal highs leaving up here, that it was leaving up here. My TP is still at 58k, as I told you. But again, it's gonna be a manual. It's gonna be a manual TP. It might just come down to the 50% of this wick to fill. Is there an inefficiency down here? No, we don't see any. But it's building up liquidity, guys. It should be good. It should be good. It should be good. Should be good. Based on this, what I imagine is that we are going to see some kind of consolidation on let me just see what we have here. What we see here is that we might just see some kind of consolidation in Asia. Coinbase is down for scheduled maintenance. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Let me look at the chat as well. Nothing new here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna have a manual stop left here. I'm going to leave this here. I'm not going. I believe that we are bouncing either from here or from here. I'm not trading Asia. I do think that we are going to get some clarity on this. Let's see what's here. They still... What? No way, bruh. No way. No way. They have the tweet up. They still have the tweet up. That's gonna, I think they're gonna get a lawsuit. 100%. How is this possible? If they are able to tweet that the SEC government, the SEC X account was compromised and an unauthorized post was posted, the SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin ETF. How can it be that they can post this but not be able to take this down? That's just absolutely rubbish. Is this my browser? If this is for real, I mean, this is crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. I'm sure Gary's kind of doing. Building liquidity is coming down slowly. So what we see here and right now is that we took liquidity from here, right? We took all the liquidity. We took all the liquidity from the buy side here. And now we're claiming the liquidity on the sell side. The question really is how deep we're gonna go. How deep we're gonna go. Are we going to hold on this OB, which I believe we should? If not, we have the possibility of coming down all the way down here to this 38,800. The question really, the other interesting part is if you look at the 1 minute chart, you see that this was the pump when the ETF approval got so we got on the immediate approval, We got a 2-3% pump, which is nothing, right? Which is nothing, but immediately after, we got a, or did it? Hold on. Happily, we've got it screenshotted. So it's 10.26. So this is UTC plus 1 is 20. No. Yeah, okay, sorry. Yes, it's 10.11. Yes, 10.11, yes. So it's 10.11, exactly. So it's 10.11 and 26. This is, no. This is pure manipulation. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Gary makes the tweet. I need to open up another chart for this. Guys, I might add to my longs now again. Look at this. On the 1 minute, Gary's tweet. No, not Gary's tweet. SEC's tweet. But the Gary's tweet on the compromised account only came down here. It only came down here. Let me look at this. The SEC lawyers tell Fox Business the SEC will have to investigate itself for making market manipulation after moving the price of Bitcoin up and down following the hacked tweet that it had approved the first spot Bitcoin ETF and then saying it was fake. That said, for the SEC not to approve tomorrow's would be unprecedented. It has never rejected ETF applications that have gone as far as these. Yeah, guys, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Look at this. Gary's regarding the hack. Yeah, it's just no. Something is off. Something is big time off here. Look at this. It's crazy. Guys, give me a second. I want to post this in the banter research as well. Bringing it up for you. Yeah, this we are being played. We are being played big time. So this is what I posted in here. I think it will show up here. It'll take some time for it probably. ETF tomorrow, guys. It's just so weird that this clown is saying that it's not approved. This is such a great music. My music, where is this coming from? I'm definitely getting copyrighted. Yeah, so this is why I posted something is off. The self happened before Gary announced that the SEC Twitter account is hacked. Yeah, this is not like... Victor's tweeted something. Cointelegraph, fake ETF tweet made everyone FOMO into BTC to front run its pump. Now the market is showing his hands again a second time. Yeah, but he's not right. He's not right. We are being played. Very weak BTC pump. The reason why it was weak because someone was selling into the pump before the announcement was made that it was a hack. That's nothing. I don't agree with it. Let's see what we have here, guys. I'm still bullish, fucking bullish. It's building up liquidity. The only thing that I don't understand right now is that how can Gary say that it's not approved? Like, how can he say it's not approved? So the SEC has not approved the listing and trading. The SEC has not approved. This is actually the question. This is actually the question. This is just weird. Let me look at the comments. Sorry, guys. I don't see it. I don't see it on the SEC's page. Page was compromised. ETF not approved. Yeah, Justice Security Lawyer said. Yeah, exactly. SEC was also reported the same tweet. Hey everyone. Hey. Yeah, it might have been really hacked. They're saying that the SEC site started liking random tweets. Can you imagine that someone is able to hack the SEC's Twitter account and post something of this magnitude. I mean, it's just beyond me. It's literally just beyond me. Anyway, I'll go back because it's like almost midnight. I'll go back to sleep. Not back to sleep, but spot Bitcoin ETF approval will trigger sell off on CME futures. The report pointed out by CoinDesk that some 43% of the CME Bitcoin futures contract belonged to futures-based ETFs. As investors will likely rotate funds to cheaper spot ETFs, futures funds need to close their positions, pushing open interest and the premium lower. Interesting. The market participants, the report follows, whose exposure increased by 128% to around 75,000 Bitcoin from 33,000 over the past 3 months. Yeah, I still think we're being played. I still think we need to take the highs. I still think 48,185, we need to take that high. We do need to take 48,185. If you're able to trade Asia, AI, I'm so sorry, you're coming in, it's not approved. I see you coming in with the champagne and the money and whatever. It's not approved. It's not approved. Amazing coverage. Thanks, Fefa. After midnight here in SA2. Yeah. You got it. You got it. You got it. I was literally, I'm telling you, I have a, you know, like a little bit, a car that I use for transporting shit and stuff like that. And I was just parking there and I just jumped in there because then I didn't have to park the car out and stuff like that. And I was like, you know, it's an old Toyota, and I was like, poor car. I was coming 100 and I was coming within speed limit, obviously, in the city. The studio is about 5 to 10 minutes away from me, so, but I was still coming very fast because I wanted to be here and do this with you guys. So it's very interesting. It is very, very interesting to say the least. Let's see what Gary has in his sleeves. And then we're gonna round this up. I do think we're being played. I do think this is the only thing that I'm kind of concerned about. This, like, why would he say? And I asked in there as well. Let's see what they say. Yeah. Elon Musk replied to Dogecoin's tweet. Yeah. So I think we're being played. Looking at the chart, it is weak. So the next level, 43,800. Definitely something interesting. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna stream a lot, depending on what the market is gonna go. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. So I'm gonna be probably doing more lives tomorrow as the news come out and stuff. I would be surprised if we do not get any clarity tomorrow. It's just crazy. It's just absolutely beyond me. Absolutely beyond me. Absolutely beyond me. All right, guys. I think that's what it is. It is pumping though. It is pumping. I think it's just. No, I don't know. It looks good to start rocking though. It looks strong to come up to this region. It looks weak on a higher time frame, but it looks strong on the lower time frame. Senator Bill. Senator. Just like the SEC would demand accountability from a public company if they made such a colossal market-moving mistake, Congress needs answers on what just happened. This is unacceptable. Yeah, Gary, goodbye, Gary Gensler. That's what it is. This is goodbye, Gary. This is gonna be... Poor guy, bro. I mean, he is in trouble. And the fact that he posted this is the weird stuff. If he does not approve the ETF tomorrow, his statement, the SEC has not approved the listing and the trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products, will stand. But if they do approve the ETF tomorrow, and he tweeted that the SEC has not approved anything, he's gonna be in, you know, double holes, because the problem is that he's, first of all, you know, he is accountable for the security breach on the SEC's account. And second, he is responsible for tweeting that it's not approved when he already knew that it is going to be approved. So he should not have posted any of this. He should just have said the SEC account is compromised. There's no official statements yet, whatever that is. Like it's not only that he's in trouble, but he's in big trouble. He can be in big trouble. I think we don't have nothing more. We don't have nothing more. Inside I said that Bloomberg just now unfortunately this probably must be delayed because of the hack. Yes, that's the thing. Like now people are speculating whether the ETF will be delayed because of the hack. They're like, oh yeah, we got a hack and now we got a delay. Let's see, guys. We don't have time for this. Gotta sleep and then gotta come back here early tomorrow. I do think watch out for this 43,800 and potentially all the way down here. 50% of this wick would be a reasonable level. Any of these levels, again, as I always say, guys, watch out for a market structure shift on these levels. Look at this, that would be 50%, would come down here. This is a theoretical stop. I have manual stop. I have a cross leverage position. I will put a limit order down here at 40,955 and I will put a limit order in at 43,800. I'm gonna take these positions. Again, do your own research, not financial advice. I am up on this trade, so I'm only playing with profits. And my liquidation is down here, so no issues about that. I do not think that we are going to see 35, 34, 33,000 before the approval. This was a great first test. This was a great, rundown. Yeah, tomorrow's another day. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you all. Thanks for being here. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, spread the news. Tomorrow I will get ready with a watch party. I'm gonna have a hat, I'm gonna have like a confettis, and I'm gonna have champagne, and I'm gonna be ready for the approval. If Gary does not approve the ETF tomorrow, it's gonna be a massive. Either way, tomorrow is going to be a massive day. It is the 10th of January, the deadline for the ETF approval. Gary's pulling his shit on now with this whole hack, not hack, approved, not approved, this and that. Tomorrow's a big day. Go get some sleep, go get some rest. Thanks for being here. Thanks for spending your time with me, your evening, your morning, your afternoon, whatever that is. And definitely see you tomorrow. Take care.